Alrighty, guys, decided to upgrade the old HP notebook. 8 years old. Ooh. Got a lot of use out of that. Starting to get a little slow, though. But we decided to go ahead and get the HP Envy. Interesting note, though. FedEx took my packing slip. Nowhere on this box is the same address. Weird. Let's see what's inside. Alrighty. So, I don't remember what options I got with it. But, ooh. Pretty. Okay, a little tab here to pull that out. Oh, we got a little book down there. Let's see. Let's see what she looks like. Ooh, wow. Wow, that's sharp. Kind of hard to read that HP, but it's always been kind of hard to read the HP. So, wow. That looks nice. We'll go ahead and get those instructions out. We're not going to need them for anything, but want everything out of the box, right? All right, I think we're done with the box. Shouldn't be anything else in there, right? Yeah, nothing up underneath. Alrighty. So let's throw that off to the side. See what's in this small box here. Should be the power supply, right? Or the charger or whatnot. Whatever those things are called these days. Alright, so what do we got here? The hell? Oh, really? Okay, that's different. A little bit, not a whole lot. Just looked like a power bank for a second. So this is going to be... Oh, that broke. That's supposed to break, though. Sorry, I thought it was Velcro. Just because it looks really nice. It's got like a braided cord for... Oh, I really do not like that they twisted that all up by... Really don't like that. It's going to take a few months or a few weeks to get that twistiness out of it. Anyway, that's neat. It's got some sort of plastic on it, but I can't find the edge. Is that the edge? Yes, it is. All right. Nice. Nice. That's pretty. I like that. That's way smaller than the old ones was. I'm sorry. I'm fascinated by it. Of course, the part that goes into the wall and then connects to the brick. So we'll get that untwisted here. We'll get her plugged in, right? Alright. So, just going to plug her in there. And then we'll go ahead and plug her into the wall. No, I am not. Plugging her into the laptop yet. I want to see this. That is a USB-C adapter? Wow. Okay, that's different. Almost through the box here, but there's something else in here. Let's see what this is. It looks like it shows a pencil. I wonder what that's... I mean, I've had touchscreen before, and I've never needed to use anything other than my finger. So, what is this? Just a little touchscreen pencil to touch my screen with. Okay. And then there's instructions underneath and I don't know, extra tips. Okay, well, we'll try to see if we got a place on the laptop to put that. I'm going to put this back in here just in case I need those. And come on, let's get that pretty bad boy back over here. Because wow, that is very, very sharp looking. A couple of slots here. I think there's a SD slot, headphone and mic jack, and then there's looks like a USB slot here. All right, nothing on the back. Does say HP Envy. Real pretty. I like that. Does it say it on both of them? No, just on the one hinge. Oh, come on, guys. Do it on both hinges. Underneath, nothing spectacular. Just a bunch of air ports. Not that kind. Alright, so what we got over here? We got a, looks like a C. Another C. HDMI. And it looks like another just regular USB. So where does, I mean, generally it plugs in on this side, right? But I can't read that. Can you read that? Yeah, it won't even focus on what that says. Well, that's a USB, not a USB-C. Huh. Alright, well, it's got to be one of the two over here then, right? Because these are both USB-C. Huh. Well, it doesn't say. Huh. Well, I'm not real sure where to plug her in then. I guess we just try one, and you'd think they'd work that. Of course, this one has a little light beside it, so a little diode there. So we'll hope that that's where we plug her in at. Let's open her up. Are we ready? Oh, oops! I got paper that I'm taking with me. All right. Pull that out of there. Ooh, isn't that pretty? Now that is pretty. So we got the touchscreen mouse, or mouse pad here. Need to get an extra mouse because I don't like using these. And there's no clicker buttons. So click and then other right click. Oh, that plate does move. Okay. You can definitely feel that click when you push down on it. That's different from the old one. The old one was a little different. I love putting the Envy on there. Love that stuff. I'm sorry. Okay, so the power button looks like it's over here instead of over there on the old one. Ooh, backlit keyboard. That looks nice. Alright. So it looks like the one with the LED, or the little diode on the side, looks like that is the one you plug the power into, because the diode on the side did light up. And of course the laptop is turning on. So, wow, that's actually really beautiful. I'm glad I did that upgrade. Tried to compare the specs between the two, which I'm sure 8 years old versus not 8 years old. You would think this will be way better than that. But I don't remember the specs. I know I added a few extra things to it, like the touchscreen. But well, that's how she looks out of the box, guys.